Okay guys, for this video I will be doing a video of how to play a Tibetan singing bowl. Here we have one in front of the camera. It's one I purchased off of Amazon for about $15, relatively inexpensive. Comes with a two-sided mallet, one rounded side, one flat side. There are two primary methods for playing the singing bowl. The first is by striking the edges. It is recommended that one allows the tone to fully dissipate before striking it again for the best tones. The other method is by running the mallet around the grooves on the side of the bowl until the vibrations build up and cause the sound that they are known for, the singing. Now these smaller ones tend to slip around a bit when you play them. Now, one additional thing that I'll slip in here for you guys is that if you are a beginner and are not good at getting it to start up, one method to get it started easier is to first strike the side and then with the mallet already in motion begin rubbing it along the edges in order to utilize the vibrations already within the bowl from the strike in order to generate the sound, as so. This allows you to generate the singing almost immediately without having to worry about building from the slow and barely audible start as with the previous method. Without the tap, it takes a while to build up to something worth noting as singing. But with it, right away. Also, after you've got a good tone going, you can slow it down and get a different tonality. Or speed it up, increase the frequency and the sound. Alright, this has been how to play a Tibetan singing bowl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.